Welcome to the virtual tour of Mechanical Engineering Department. This is Computer Aided Manufacturing Lab. It is used to simulate and understand manufacturing processes like turning and milling. In this lab, we have CNC lathe machine, CNC milling machine, automated storage and retrieval system to teach students CNC programming and to demonstrate the working of automatic production line used in industry. This is Automobile Engineering Lab. This lab gives basic knowledge of main components of an automobile, their design, with an overview of gearbox assembly. The student gains knowledge about transmission system, steering system, braking system, lubrication system, and lighting system along with electrical circuits, and also learn about various components in automobile along with car model demonstration. This is Measurement and Metrology Lab. This lab gives an experience to students for measuring various parameters from surface roughness to the pressure measurement. In this lab, we have several instruments like sine bar, vernier caliper, screw gauge, rotameter, tachometer, strain measurement, and various others for measuring different quantities. This is Computer Aided Design Lab. This lab enables the student to understand 3D and 2D modeling of solids and machine parts. In this lab, we have licensed version of AutoCAD, ProE and ANSYS, in which AutoCAD and ProE are design and modeling softwares, while ANSYS is a analysis software. This is Fluid Mechanics and Machinery Lab. This lab has two parts. One is mechanics part and other is machinery part. The fluid mechanics part gives fundamental knowledge of theoretical concept of fluid mechanics like metacentric height and impact object, etc. In fluid machinery part, this lab demonstrates the working of various turbine and pumps like Pelton and Francis turbine and centrifugal and reciprocating pump. This is Material Science and Testing Lab. This lab is used to test various mechanical properties of material like tensile or compressive strength, hardness, grain structure, torsion strength, and to study the effect of heat treatment. In this lab, we have universal testing machine, muffle furnace, hydraulic press, polishing machine, wear apparatus, and belt grinder to perform various tests on different materials. This is our Research and Development Lab. This lab is utilized by faculty members and students for doing project and research activities. In this lab, we have trinocular inverted metallurgical microscope, computerized universal testing machine, computerized micro Vickers testing machine, Brunel hardness tester, Rockwell hardness tester, and spring testing machine. This is Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Lab. This lab is used to teach concepts of vapor compression refrigeration system, vapor absorption refrigeration system. In this lab, we have refrigeration test rig, air conditioning test rig, gas charging station, ice plant tutor, window air conditioner, and various sectional models of compressors. This is our drawing hall. This hall is used to teach machine drawing and engineering graphics to the students. This lab has proper arrangement of drawing boards and benches where a student can learn engineering drawing in most healthy and interactive environment. This is our manufacturing science lab. This lab is used to understand the process of machining like turning, facing, drilling, milling and other machining processes. In this lab, students understand the geometry of machine tools and get hands-on experience of working on these machines. In this lab, we have milling machine, drilling machine, various lathes, MIG, spot welding machine, hydraulic hacksaw and shaper machine. This is mechanics of machine lab equipped with universal vibration apparatus, static and dynamic balancing apparatus, gyroscope, universal governor apparatus and working model of different mechanisms. Here, student will able to understand 4-bar and slider crank chain mechanism, stability of governor, shaper machine mechanism relevant to the subject theory of machines. This is heat and mass transfer lab. In this lab, students understand the concept of conduction, convection and radiation of heat transfer. In this lab, students learn about the measurement and the effects of parameters like thermal conductivity, LMTD in the heat transfer. In this lab, we have composite wall apparatus, parallel flow and counter flow heat exchanger, heat pipe apparatus and thermal conductivity measurement apparatus. This is Applied Thermodynamics lab. In this lab, we have test rig of 2-stroke petrol engine, 4-stroke diesel engine, variable compression ratio petrol engine and models of fire tube boiler, water tube boiler and steam engine. This lab enables the student to learn thermodynamic concept of various machines. This is the office of Head of Department of Mechanical Engineering Department. This is our department library. Our department library is equipped with proper computer systems, printing facility and internet facility to help students to read things online. Our department library also have books from distinguished writers which are used by students for their reference. Our department library has proper seating area where students can also go through journals and project reports which help them in defining and undergoing their projects. This is our classroom. This classroom is equipped with computer systems, speakers and projector to help faculty members to use audio-visual aid for making their lecture interactive. All classrooms are equipped with notice board for displaying timetables and other important notices. This is our tutorial room. Tutorial classes are conducted in batches for thorough learning and doubt clearing sessions. Students are given tutorials and assignments for developing proper understanding of subject. Even students can reach faculty members in their off hours for clearing the doubts and understanding the concept of their subjects. This is our smart classroom, cum seminar hall. This smart classroom is integrated with Wi-Fi enabled interactive flat panel board and audiovisual components, pen digitizers for making the teaching and learning more interactive. This smart room is equipped with good seating space and air conditioners for making the teaching learning quite comfortable. This is our project lab. Projects from past sessions are displayed in this lab. These projects work as a reference for upcoming batches to define their project area. Students do their project by using facilities provided in different laboratories, like thermal related projects are done in applied thermodynamics and IC engine lab. Testing on material is done in material science and testing lab. Manufacturing science lab is used for manufacturing and finishing of workpieces. These projects are then assembled in workshop. After completing the curriculum, these projects are again placed in project lab for display and showcasing the skills of our students. These are the cabins of faculty members of Mechanical Engineering Department. Computer systems and printers are provided in the cabins which help faculty members to prepare for their lectures. Mission and vision of department are displayed in faculty chambers which always motivate them to enhance teaching learning skills to ensure the development of students and society. This is our workshop practice lab. This lab is divided into 7 shops like carpentry shop, foundry shop, sheet metal shop, welding shop, machine shop, fitting shop and blacksmithy. Students are taught in batches of 20 in this workshop. Students learn about basic tools and processes in these shops, and even students are allowed to get hands-on experience by doing these experiments in proper guidance. Proper safety is always ensured by technician and staff members.